Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mozzarella patties. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh mozzarella, all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, and seasoned breadcrumbs. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized for an efficient cooking process. We will cover each step, from preparing the cheese to achieving that irresistible crispy exterior. Get ready to create a delightful snack or appetizer that everyone will love. To begin, you'll need about 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella. If it's a block, slice it into 1/2-inch thick rounds. Next, set up your breading station. In the first shallow dish, place about 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. In the second, whisk 1 large egg until it's well beaten. Finally, in the third dish, put about 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. This organized setup makes the breading process smooth and easy. Now let's coat our mozzarella. Take each slice and dredge it completely in the flour, ensuring it's fully covered, then gently shake off any excess. Next, dip the floured cheese into the whisked egg, letting any extra drip away. Immediately transfer it to the breadcrumbs, pressing firmly so the crumbs adhere well. For an extra crispy patty, repeat the egg and breadcrumb coating. Finally, gently shape them into uniform patties, about 1 inch thick. For cooking, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the patties in the hot oil, frying for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Alternatively, you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain them on a paper towel-lined plate to remove excess oil. Serve these delightful mozzarella patties immediately with marinara or your preferred sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.